Carbonized rice hull, CRH, is an exceptional organic material that plays a vital role in improving soil health and boosting plant growth. Made from rice husks through a process called pyrolysis, CRH is a lightweight, porous, and carbon-rich material that offers numerous benefits to soil and crops. As the demand for sustainable farming practices continues to rise, CRH has emerged as a valuable tool in organic and conventional agriculture. CRH improves soil structure by loosening compacted soil, enhancing aeration, and improving drainage, ensuring that plant roots receive adequate oxygen for healthy growth. In many agricultural settings, soil compaction is a significant issue that restricts root expansion and limits access to essential nutrients. By incorporating CRH into the soil, farmers can promote better root penetration and overall plant development. Additionally, its ability to retain moisture while preventing waterlogging makes it ideal for areas with unpredictable rainfall. Water retention is particularly crucial in drought-prone regions where crops may struggle to receive sufficient hydration. The porous nature of CRH helps hold moisture in the soil while still allowing excess water to drain, reducing the risk of root rot and fungal diseases caused by overwatering. One of the most valuable attributes of CRH is its ability to support beneficial microbial activity in the soil. The porous structure of CRH provides a favorable environment for microorganisms that play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and enhancing nutrient availability. These beneficial microbes contribute to soil health by improving its biological activity and nutrient cycling. By fostering a thriving microbial community, CRH indirectly enhances plant resilience against diseases, as healthy soil with active microbial life tends to suppress harmful pathogens. In addition to its microbial benefits, CRH acts as a slow-release carrier of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients are vital for plant growth, and CRH helps prevent their leaching, ensuring a steady supply of nourishment to crops over time. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which can be washed away during heavy rains, CRH retains and gradually releases nutrients, making it a more sustainable option for long-term soil fertility. Another advantage of CRH is its role in regulating soil pH. Many agricultural soils suffer from acidity, which can hinder nutrient absorption and affect plant health. CRH has an alkaline nature that helps neutralize acidic soils, creating a more balanced environment for plant growth. When soil pH is stabilized, plants can absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to increased productivity and better crop quality. This makes CRH particularly beneficial for crops that require a specific pH range for optimal growth. Weed suppression is another key benefit of CRH when used as mulch. Applying CRH as a top layer around plants forms a barrier that inhibits weed germination and growth. This natural weed control method reduces the need for chemical herbicides, making farming practices more environmentally friendly. Moreover, CRH aids in preventing soil erosion by binding soil particles together, maintaining soil integrity, and preserving topsoil fertility. Soil erosion is a major concern in agriculture as it leads to nutrient loss and land degradation. By using CRH, farmers can help protect their fields from wind and water erosion, ensuring long-term soil health and productivity. The application of CRH in planting is versatile and can be customized based on specific farming needs. It can be mixed with soil as an amendment to enhance its physical properties, used as mulch to regulate temperature and moisture, or incorporated into compost to accelerate decomposition and nutrient enrichment. When added to compost piles, CRH improves aeration and helps maintain an optimal balance of green and brown materials, speeding up the composting process and producing high-quality organic matter. CRH is also highly beneficial in seed starting mixes, where its moisture-retaining properties prevent damping off disease in young seedlings. The ability to create a well-balanced and disease-resistant growing medium makes CRH an excellent choice for nurseries and home gardening. By integrating CRH into planting practices, farmers and gardeners can significantly improve crop productivity, reduce dependency on synthetic fertilizers, and support sustainable agricultural methods. CRH not only enhances soil health, but also contributes to reducing agricultural waste by repurposing rice husks that would otherwise be discarded. Its role in sustainable farming aligns with the increasing global focus on environmentally friendly solutions that minimize chemical inputs and promote natural soil enhancement. As environmental concerns grow, CRH stands out as a natural and effective solution for enhancing soil health, promoting plant growth, and contributing to a greener and more resilient farming system. With continuous research and innovation, the potential of CRH in agriculture will only expand, making it an indispensable resource for future generations of farmers.